How to send photos as view once only on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can send photos as view once on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video till the end. The thing I'm talking about over here is that let's say you have Snapchat, for example. You take a photo, you send as a snap. That person can only view the snap for once or maybe at the maximum twice. They will not be able to take a screenshot. They will not be able to do anything. You want the same to be happen with WhatsApp, because when you send a WhatsApp photo, normally the photo is going to be saved to the other person's gallery as well. You don't want that case, and then you want to send as a disappearing message. They can only view the photo for up to once, right? Well, it is absolutely possible to do that. And to get started with that, open up WhatsApp. Open up a specific chat page where you would like to send a disappearing or the view once photo. Go about just selecting your normal photo as you would, right? So I'll just go to my gallery over here. Then I'll just select a normal photo that I wish to send it. Then after I've done that, now if I just select this photo right away from here and then send them, they can save this photo and do whatever else they prefer. But I want this to be sent as a view once photo. So to enable that option, if I look at the bottom right here, you can see one button in this circular icon. All I need to do is just tap on this one button and then it will turn blue. When it turns blue, the photo will be set to view once. So let me just uncheck that and then just tap on it again. You can see it says photo set to view once, which means that the other person will only be able to see this photo for once. Now it is safe for me to go ahead and send this photo, and now you can see even I myself cannot view that photo. The other person will be able to do it, but only for once. And that is it to answer your question on how you can actually go ahead and then send a disappearing or a view once photo on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.